Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the radiator on this Mercury Grand Marquis. Alright guys, pop the hood, get yourself a pan to catch all the antifreeze. And this is your radiator right here. So we're going to start by taking this reservoir off. So we're going to disconnect this, and we're going to, let's see what else is here. There's a hose over here, we got to disconnect this one right here. And we're going to disconnect it from here, okay? This is 8mm, so let's start with that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to take off these two 8mm. It's one there and this one right there. Now you got to disconnect this fan. You just push on this and pull out. Alright, now this is what comes out. Pretty dirty. Okay, now we got to take these two 8mm off. These brackets come off. Alright guys, now next you got to take off this 8mm here and the other one on this side right there, okay. Try to get this. Alright, next you need to separate it from this condenser right here. So what we're gonna do is, let's see, the condenser sits on top of that. So we're just gonna lift the condenser up a little bit and then push this forward. Lift this up a little bit and separate it. That same thing on this side. Alright. The only thing that holds the radiator on is the clip down there. So you gotta lift this condenser or whatever this is up. And that's disconnected from the bottom there. So you gotta do the same thing over here. Just lift this up. And now this separates from this part. Okay. Now that's loose, we just gotta pull it out. Film coming out. Yeah. She's out. Alright, she out. Alright guys, this is your new radiator. Make sure you transfer this hose over from the other one. Alright guys, make sure you put it into that hole, and there's another hole on the other side. And then what you're gonna do is take these things and hang them onto these clips right here. There's one there, and there's another one on the bottom. Alright, All right, guys, we got the radiator in. So now we need to put these 2 bolts in here, one there and the other one on the other side over here. Okay. All right, guys, put these brackets on. Where's the other one? The other one's already on there. Put these. All right, we'll tie this one too while we're at it. Turn this up. All right, we're ready to put the fan on. So what we're gonna do is just, this piece hangs on this piece down here. Okay, so we're just gonna drop it in and then bolt it right here. Okay. That's it. We just gotta put the 2 bolts.
One less on me.
Alright, throw this hose on. Alright, just gotta tighten that up. Alright, don't forget to plug the fan in. Okay. Alright, now we gotta put the reservoir on. So this part goes into this slot right there. So we gotta just drop it in. Connect the bottom hose and this hose. Get the hose. We're just gonna tighten this up. Alright, connect this hose. Alright, now we gotta put the bolt in here. Guys, we put 2 gallons of the antifreeze. We're gonna start it up and let the thermostat open, and then we're gonna add some more. All right, guys, that's how you change the radiator on a Mercury Grand Marquis or a Ford Crown Victoria. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.